high-level defense delegation led by Major General Burkhanov Ahmed Jamalovich, Deputy Minister of Defense and Commander of the Air Defense Forces and Air Force of the Republic of Uzbekistan, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters Islamabad. Matters pertaining to mutual interest, avenues to enhance bilateral military cooperation, joint training and technological collaboration in the aerospace domains were discussed during the meeting. Upon his arrival, a smartly turned out contingent of Pakistan Air Force presented Guard of Honor to Major General Burkhanov Ahmed Jamalovich. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the robust bilateral military ties between the two brotherly countries and assured that PF is committed to extending full support for the basic to tactical level training for pilots, as well as technical training of maintenance crews for capacity building of the personnel of Uzbekistan Air Force. The Air Chief further said that both Pakistan and Uzbekistan enjoy long-standing religious and cultural bonds, which are based on convergence on all important issues related to regional peace and security. The visiting dignitary lauded the historic and exemplary professionalism demonstrated by the personnel of Pakistan Air Force and praised PF's notable progress in developing a thriving domestic capability in the aviation industry. The dignitary articulated his desire for enhanced Air Force to Air Force collaboration between the two countries, emphasizing the need of joint training in the face of evolving security threats. He also expressed his earnest desire to expand the existing Mushak aircraft fleet of the Uzbek Air Force through procurement from Pakistan Air Force. Both the commanders agreed on establishment of a more comprehensive two-way exchange of expertise, with specific focus on niche and disruptive technologies in the domains of cyber, space, and electronic warfare capabilities. The delegation also visited PF Cyber Command and National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center, established at Air Headquarters, where it was briefed about the operational capabilities of Pakistan Air Force. The visit of this high-level defense delegation of Uzbekistan to Air Headquarters Islamabad signifies a resolute commitment of both countries to reinforce their military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations.